Hello and welcome to our special half hour as part of our larger campaign, Be a Bijli Donor, in association with our partners Luminous. In this age of climate change and the crisis that's creating havoc in our planet with extreme weather events, from cyclones to forest fires, it's the responsibility of each and every one of us to do our bit to reduce our burden on the planet, to reduce our carbon footprint. Now, our campaign is all about examples of people who are making an effort to be clean and green by saving on conventional power through a change in habit or by using renewable energy instead. Not only will that reduce your carbon cost, but will allow the power saved by you to be made available for use elsewhere, as power requirements and supplies vary from big cities to villages. To tell us a lot more on what we need to do and how the country and indeed the world is adapting to newer technologies, we are joined by two wonderful guests, the cricket legend and Luminous brand ambassador Sachin Tendulkar and the managing director of Luminous, Mr. Vipul Sabharwal. Sachin, we know you've been involved in so many great causes. How important is energy conservation for you as a guiding philosophy?
First of all, thank you so very much for having me on this show. I think the most important thing is to understand what we have. And as responsible global citizens, I think it becomes everyone's responsibility. There's no point pointing fingers at X, Y, Z and say that I'm doing my bit, you guys are not. We all are in it together to look after the most precious thing that we have, which is Mother Earth. I feel earth, water, air that we have was never gifted to us by our parents or grandparents. So we have to look after it. You know, we owe it to the future, the next generation, our children and generations to follow. According to me, the best compliment would be when the next generation tells us that whatever the planet was and what it is now, it's in a better shape. And that would be our genuine contribution to society. Because the tendency is, it's okay. I mean, if I do it, how does it matter? Or if I don't do it, how does it matter? Every little step, every little thing that we do matters. That is important to me. It should be important to all of us.
Vipul, why has saving electricity taken a backseat in comparison to other burning issues like, say, saving the environment or global warming?
Hi Vishnu, it's a pleasure to be here today at NDTV on a great show called Be a Bijli Donor. I think I have a great question to say why electricity conservation has not taken an important priority in India. Our personal view is that many good things are happening in India. The energy conservation is starting, the structuralization of the market is starting, the government is beginning to put standards out there. It's a slow process. Change doesn't happen overnight. But I think what is more important for us is to be here as a company, Luminous, which is committed to making this program a big success. And thanks once again to you and Sachin Tendulkar to host the program and start today Be a Bijli Donor program.
Sachin, what are some of the crucial steps that you believe one should take to conserve energy?
To conserve energy, I think first and the foremost thing I think is understanding the importance of what impact it can have on our planet. And we generally want to get better at everything that we do. So for example, when we are sitting at home watching a TV or listening to music, or in your office for that matter, AC is on, the lights are on, fans are on. Simple things like these, if you're not using, just turn them off. I think also LED lights are important, energy efficient LED lights are important because I feel it's like saving every drop of water. every step that we take collectively, cohesively, is going to add up. So let us all do it together. These are lifestyle changes. A little bit. I mean, I'm saying literally, if each person decides to change 5%, can you imagine cohesively how much it can add up to?
Vipul, who do you think are the biggest culprits when it comes to misuse of electricity?
Another great question, Vishnu. It's not about misuse of electricity. Yes,
Right.
there is wastage, there is lack of awareness how we can serve and conserve energy. We are not here to say that people should not consume energy. People should not consume electricity. It's to say how they can enjoy good living in the homes by using the electricity in the right manner so that they can enjoy the privileges of great living at the same time conserve energy. I think it's about picking up the right gadgets, picking up the right solutions, picking up small habits which can make a big step in conserving energy. And today, if you go around and see around yourself, the standards which are coming in, the great products which are getting launched, which also give good comfort at home, at the same time conserve energy in terms of star rating products, in terms of solar products, in terms of connected products. I think the opportunity is tremendous.
Sachin, do you think each one of us can play a small part in this movement towards renewable energy?
We need to be smart and use energy efficiently. I think that understanding has to be there. For example, you are sitting in your office, and if there is natural light coming in, there is no need to turn on the light. There is no need to do that. That is what I mean by being smart. These are those small steps. If we take these steps, the end result is something that we can be proud of.
Now, Sachin, wasteful consumption of electricity is another huge problem. What is your message to citizens to just stop doing this, to avoid this altogether?
I think most important thing is to give the right information. Correct messaging is important here. In your offices or schools or colleges, wherever you go, there are number of things that one would be ignorant of. So that correct messaging is important, and if you have the right knowledge, there is no harm in telling your colleague politely कि भाई ऐसे मत करो, इससे ये नुकसान हो सकता है. एग्जाम्पल अगर देना है तो सिंपल, रेफ्रिजरेटर डोर इज ओपन फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, देयर इज नो नीड टू डू दैट. सिंपल चीज़ें है ये. होम अप्लायंसेस, जो भी टीवी को रिमोट से ऑफ किया और रूम से गए, सिंपल चीज़, मेन प्लग से आप स्विच ऑफ करो. Like these simple steps can eventually add up.
Now, Sachin, I must ask you on a lighter note, you've played some extremely long innings. How did you manage to conserve your energy while playing out there in the field, sometimes in extremely hot and humid conditions?
Well, it's not just about hot and humid conditions. I've played in different parts of the world in different conditions. But to talk about hot and humid conditions, I remember we were playing our quarterfinals match against Australia in 2011 World Cup in Ahmedabad. And the moment we landed, I realized that this is extreme heat and I need to change my diet. I need to prepare myself for this game. And I cut down on all the spices. I wanted to keep my system nice and cool so that I'm able to go out and deliver. And I'm not thinking about my body. Once your mind decides to do something, body has to follow the instructions. It is just not possible to achieve results if your mind wants to do it and body doesn't want to cooperate. So for that, for both of them to work together, one had to make those changes, and I did that. For 3 days, I was on a literally curd rice wala diet, hardly any spices, tender coconut water, those kind of things, just to keep the system cool. And of course, along with that, you have your hydrating drinks and all that. Because once you go out and then you feel thirsty, then it's a downhill ride. You can't allow that. So you have to use your energy smartly and For example, in a long innings, you go ball by ball, you go over by over, and session by session. And in that, can you imagine if you're not running between the wickets, which is your shortest route? If you're not taking the shortest route, you eventually add up. You would have covered so much extra distance for no reason. And the same thing applies यहाँ भी energy में. Sometimes you don't need to have the fan on or the AC on or the lights on. But you've just, as a habit, you've entered the room and you've turned everything on. You're sitting there, wasting it. So use it only as much as you need. And this is how, on a lighter note, I have also answered. कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा message है, आपको मिल ही गया होगा.
Now, Vipul, LED lights and energy efficient fans are better than other technologies which we've used in the past, legacy technologies. How so? Do explain to us why and how they are better.
Yeah, LED bulb is a great example. If you move from the traditional bulbs to LED bulbs and move from ordinary fans to star rated fans, which are going to come next year, the saving in an average home can be at least about 9,000 rupees. This is big, but people are becoming conscious about it. The government is doing a lot of things. We would urge consumers to look at these solutions to say, here are things we can do. They may look expensive in the beginning. They may look a little bit more out of the pocket, but a lot of things can be done to bring in these things in the home and which can bring a lot of saving to the consumers.
But as we go forward, Vipul, how important is it for all of us to embrace alternate energy sources, for example, solar power or wind power?
Talking about alternative energy, there is wind, there is tidal, and there is solar. We at Luminous are exceptionally committed about the solar at home. I think it's a very good option for consumers to evaluate solar, and it doesn't depend upon the size of the house. You can have different solutions at different points in time to adopt solar. It's one of the greatest innovations which we have bringing today to our consumers in India. You may have a home, big home, small home, but you can adopt different solutions. Just to take an average home which can take a 5 kilowatt solution can bring back the payback in about 3 to 4 years depending upon consumption. Also, it is carbon neutral. It helps the consumers a lot. Yes, setting it up requires support, and Luminous is here to make us support to make sure that consumers can enjoy the benefit of solar.
Well, it's time now for us to take this short break. There's a lot more coming up. Sachin, we are increasingly seeing a mild shift towards electric cars. It seems to me that it's a matter of time before this really becomes the way ahead for all of us. Now, you are a car lover, perhaps a petrol head in a sense. What are your thoughts about this big transition?
Yes, I am a big car lover, and I'm really happy. I would like to congratulate those people who have shifted towards electric car because it is in the interest of our planet. And I'm also making every effort to do that. I've been driving now hybrid cars for some time and trying to make that change in my life. I am passionate, but in that, how can I find a balance between passion and what is good for Mother Earth? I know that a number of companies have also started moving towards that direction. It's a slow process. It's going to take time. Nothing happens overnight. But somewhere we have to start, and the process has already started. We need everyone to move in one direction, and that's when we are going to achieve our result. As a passionate car lover, I'm going to make every possible effort to find that balance between my passion and what is good for planet Earth.
Now, you've come from a very modest middle-income family as a kid, Sachin, growing up. What do you think has drastically changed in your childhood and the children of today, some of their values, some of their attitudes?
What do I think has changed? Internet. in those days, if you had to find information on certain things, it would take you ages. Today, few seconds, and you have everything available. Whatever you want to find out, you learn more, you grasp more, and I think today's children are better informed. They are aware of the challenges the planet is facing, and not just aware of those challenges, but they are prepared to make those lifestyle changes. And if you see, sometimes information doesn't percolate from top to bottom. It travels upwards. So I would say it's important to understand what the children are thinking, give them a fair platform to have a good, healthy discussion, learn from them. It should be adults who should be more flexible, because that's the next generation. And if you allow them, give them that platform to express themselves, then it's going to reap fruits, because I feel these are saplings. They are going to grow into a beautiful tree, and that's when we can start counting those fruits. As long as we are prepared to make those changes, the changes will happen. But if we say that मुझे सब कुछ पता है, it's not going to work. We all can get better in life. We all can be better informed in life, because learning never ever stops. We have to be prepared to learn more.
Vipul, how is digital technology impacting the electrical space? What are some of the new age product ideas that all of you at Luminous are working on?
Yes, that's a great question about in today's world of digital transformation. So we have many solutions around the digital world. We're talking of connected products in fans, even solar solutions can be connected, even inverters can be connected to see how the energy is being generated and preserved in India. It's not about the question of does everybody need it. I think it's a choice we want to give it to the consumers to say, here is the digital world. You can connect your products and see how they're performing in their homes. Be it a bulb, be it a fan, be it an inverter, be it a solar. I think the world of tomorrow is about choices for consumers. And that is what we are getting ready at Luminous, to give the consumers a choice to be digitally connected. They can choose what level of interface they want on the digital platform. Next year, we'll see the launch of Luminous B rating fan, the 3-star fan. I think these bring great opportunity for consumers to enjoy good living, efficient living, and conserve energy and save money for them. So I think it's important that we at Luminous make a pledge to bring all these great products to consumers, bring consciousness about them, and to say how we can contribute to the great initiative of Be a Bijli Donor and take the living in India and the comfort of India to the next level.
Sachin, what is your message to millions of fans who can do something today to make sure that all of us have a better tomorrow?
It's not going to be a long message. I'm going to keep it very, very short. We've been discussing this for a long, long time. It's time to act now. That's my message.
Now, Sachin, you've traveled the world. Are there any initiatives which captured your imagination that are practiced which can lead all of us to help promote a cleaner environment?
Very much, Vishnu. Our own Chennaswamy Stadium in Bengaluru, they have these solar panels, and then some of the parts in the stadium, they use that energy. Isn't it fantastic? And I believe it's the first stadium in the world to have done so. It's a cleaner environment, and it's a great practice for the rest to follow. So I only wish, if we take these steps and move forward, it's going to have a huge impact. We all love sport, but also if it could be cleaner for the environment, not just playing in the right spirit, but also looking after environment, I think it'll have a huge impact.
And Sachin, what can we as average citizens do to encourage power consumption, optimal use of power? What are some of the things that ordinary people can actually do?
Well, I've already spoken about it quite a bit at length, and today's generation, they're aware. They're aware of all these things. But I'm going to talk a little bit about before that information, how the parents, grandparents, their relatives, school teachers, what they need to do. And I'm speaking from my personal experience. Parenthood has taught me a lot. Most important thing that I learned was to have patience. To have patience, explain to them, and to make them understand, to convince. And all these things, I guess I learned from my wife. Should be happy with me. But if children are convinced, then they will do it for the rest of their lives. But if they're not, then they're going to do whatever keeps you happy. But that will be temporary. And we are looking at a permanent change here. And for that, to make them understand, to have the right values, which will stay with them forever, is really important. So I can say be patient and make them understand, convince them. That would be my message.
Now, Sachin, I believe you have a big surprise for our viewers. Is that right?
I am taking the pledge. मैं बिजली डोनर बनना चाहता हूँ. यही पूछूंगा कि आप में से कितने लोग मेरी टीम में ज्वाइन करोगे.
A personal invite from Sachin Tendulkar to pledge and be a Bijli donor. What's more, 3 lucky winners get to meet and greet the cricket legend. So pledge and save power for more power. Go to ndtv.com/Bijli donor or SMS Bijli to 55666.
Well, I'd like to thank both of you so much for joining us. It's such an important cause. Power consumption, electricity consumption, embracing newer technology, being smarter about our energy consumption, because it's not just about you and me, it's about our family, it's about our friends, it is about the way forward.
Thank you, Vishnu.